Have you ever seen a lightning bolt streak across the sky? It's an amazing sight. Lightning is a powerful force of nature. It's a sudden burst of electricity that happens during a thunderstorm. Did you know that a single bolt of lightning can heat the air around it hotter than the surface of the sun? Lightning is all about static electricity. It's a fascinating natural phenomenon that has intrigued humans for centuries. You know how rubbing a balloon on your hair makes it stand on end? That's static electricity too. This simple experiment shows how static charges can cause objects to attract or repel each other. Inside a thundercloud, tiny ice crystals collide with larger hailstones. These interactions are crucial in the formation of lightning. These collisions create static charges. The friction between the particles generates an electric field within the cloud. The lighter, positively charged particles rise to the top of the cloud. This separation of charges is essential for the buildup of electrical potential. The heavier, negatively charged particles sink to the bottom. This creates a significant difference in charge within the cloud. When the difference in charge becomes very large, a spark jumps. This spark is the lightning we see during a storm. This spark, a bolt of lightning, can happen within the cloud, between clouds, or between the cloud and the ground. Each strike is a powerful display of nature's electrical energy. Not all storms produce lightning. You need a special kind of cloud called a cumulonimbus cloud, also known as a thundercloud. These clouds are tall and mighty. They grow high into the sky, sometimes reaching altitudes of 60,000 feet. That's higher than Mount Everest. Section 4. The lightning storm unfolds. The process starts with warm, moist air rising rapidly within the cloud. This warm air, being less dense, ascends quickly, creating an updraft. As it rises, it encounters cooler temperatures at higher altitudes. As the air rises, it cools and condenses, forming water droplets and ice crystals. These droplets and crystals cluster together, creating the towering cumulonimbus clouds often associated with thunderstorms. This continuous updraft and downdraft within the cloud cause the particles to collide, creating static charges. The turbulence within the cloud is intense, with particles constantly moving and interacting. When the electrical potential difference between the positively and negatively charged areas becomes too great, a lightning bolt is discharged. This bolt can travel between clouds or from the cloud to the ground. This sudden release of energy creates a bright flash of light and the sound we know as thunder. The lightning heats the air around it to extreme temperatures, causing the air to expand rapidly and produce the thunderous boom. Section 5. When thunder roars. Lightning is dangerous and can be life-threatening. It's a powerful force of nature that demands respect and caution. It's important to stay safe during a thunderstorm. Remember these essential tips to protect yourself and your loved ones. First and foremost, seek shelter indoors or in a hardtop vehicle. Being inside a sturdy structure significantly reduces the risk of being struck by lightning. If you can hear thunder, you're within striking distance of lightning. This means that lightning can strike even if the storm seems far away. Stay away from windows, plumbing, and electrical appliances. Lightning can travel through these things, posing a serious risk of injury or even death. Lightning can travel through electrical wiring, plumbing, and even metal pipes. This is why it's crucial to avoid using these during a storm. Avoid open fields, tall trees, water, and metal objects. These places attract lightning and increase the likelihood of a strike. Wait at least 30 minutes after the last clap of thunder before going outside. This ensures that the storm has moved far enough away to be safe. Myth: lightning never strikes the same place twice. This is a common misconception. Fact: lightning can strike the same place multiple times, especially tall, isolated objects like towers, trees, and buildings. Myth: rubber tires on a car protect you from lightning. This is another widespread myth. Fact: it's the metal frame of the car, acting as a Faraday cage, that provides protection, not the rubber tires. The metal directs the lightning around the occupants and safely to the ground. When thunder roars, go indoors. This simple rule can save lives by reducing the risk of being struck by lightning. Stay safe and enjoy the show from a safe distance. Thunderstorms can be fascinating to watch, but always prioritize your safety.